Hello, tool enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tool Lab, your ultimate destination for discovering innovative gadgets. Join us today as we put the hottest new tools to the test and show you how they can revolutionize your projects. Tough-Built Knife Scraper is a handy 2-in-1 tool that switches between a knife and a scraper with the push of a button. Flip it one way, and you've got a scraper. Flip it back, and it's a sharp knife again. This smart design saves room in your toolbox and makes your jobs quicker. In scraper mode, it tears through old paint, caulk, and stickers, perfect for cleaning up windows, mirrors, and tile surfaces. Switch to knife mode, and you can slice through carpet, cardboard, plastic, and rope without any fuss. The Tough-Built Knife Scraper uses standard blades, and you get 5 spare blades in the package that fit most utility knives. Swapping blades is a breeze. Just press the release button and slide in a fresh one. The rubberized handle gives you a solid, non-slip grip, even if your hands are sweaty. There's also a built-in finger guard to keep you safe from accidental cuts. It comes with a paint can opener and a lanyard hole, so you can hang it up or tether it to your belt for easy access. Electric Sharpener is an all-in-one solution that makes restoring edges a breeze. It uses flexible abrasive belts that wrap around any blade, whether it's your favorite kitchen knife, a folding pen knife, or even a mower blade, and automatically conforms to its shape. A built-in guide holds your blade at the perfect angle every time, with simple presets from 25 degrees for rugged outdoor or hiking knives, down to 20 degrees for fine kitchen blades. Just flip between the 2 speeds. The lower setting delivers a gentle touch for everyday knives, while the higher speed tackles heavier jobs, like axes or lawnmower blades, in no time. The edge guide reaches right to the tip of the blade for full-length sharpening, but if you need to work on a specialty profile or custom-shaped knife, you can easily remove it. From keeping your kitchen prep fast and safe to getting your camping gear ready for the trail, the Mark II turns sharpening into a quick, accurate task anyone can handle. Meet the Stanley Universal Tool Tote Bag, your go-anywhere gear carrier built for pros who haul tools out of the shop to job sites or repair gigs. It features a sturdy, waterproof base that keeps everything dry and holds the tote upright so your tools stay put. Plus lots of pockets inside and out in various sizes for sorting wrenches, screws, bits, and other small parts. Carrying is comfortable thanks to a padded, adjustable shoulder strap that spreads the weight evenly and an angled handle that lets you grab and lift heavy tools without strain. Made from tough, weather-resistant fabric, this tote stands up to bumps, scrapes, and rain, delivering organized storage, solid support, and easy transport wherever your work takes you. Fisker's telescopic fruit picking tool is the ultimate answer for anyone who's fed up with climbing ladders or stretching to grab fruit on tall branches. Its key feature is a lightweight fiberglass pole that extends up to 11 feet, so you can easily reach even the highest fruit. At the tip, there's a soft mesh basket that you can tilt just right to catch apples, oranges, or whatever you're harvesting. Instead of yanking or banging fruit against the pole, the gentle comb-style prongs softly pull ripe fruit off the branch. No scratches, no dents. When you're done, simply pop off the mesh basket and toss it in the washing machine. If you want fruit picking to be safer, faster, and less of a headache, this Fisker's tool is for you. It helps you grab every last piece of fruit without damaging it, and it's built tough to keep working season after season. Make your next harvest easier and enjoy perfect, unbruised fruit every time. Exotac nanoSPARK is a small, easy-to-use fire starter. You can work with one hand, even if your other hand is hurt. It takes almost no practice to get the hang of it. A big plus is its replaceable flint. Just open the little brass screw inside the flint holder and swap in a fresh piece. Inside that same capsule, you can carry up to 5 extra flints, so you're never caught without sparks. The nanoSPARK also has a built-in spot for a quick light fire stick. Once you crush the stick, it lights on the very first spark, no fumbling around. Its special silicone-coated wheel, with deep, chunky teeth, throws off tons of hot sparks with each strike. There's even a little groove for attaching a lanyard, and 2 rubber O-rings seal everything up against water, so it won't fail you in wet or harsh conditions. Cloverine mount from Prime Grip is built using the same tough steel you'd find in military gear, and it's 30% thicker than your average mount, so it gives you extra strength and leverage. It's tough on the job, resisting scratches and bending even under heavy use. What really sets it apart is its patented head, which packs 6 different ways to pull nails. You've got the classic drop-shaped claw for everyday jobs, plus an all-new flat claw that slides under shingles or waterproof layers without tearing them up, saving you from buying extra materials. In short, Cloverine mount brings together military-grade strength, clever design, and practical savings, all in one easy-to-use tool. Knuckle Saver knife is a roofer's best friend, thanks to its special handle that keeps your fingers safe every time you cut. The aluminum body makes it both light to carry and tough enough to last, while the stainless steel blade stays sharp, strong, and won't rust. At 8 inches long, it's just the right size, not too big to get in your way, and not too small to do the job. It's a smart, reliable tool that brings safety and speed to every roofing project. Easy Off Twist Socket Set makes getting stubborn or damaged wheel nuts off a total breeze. You don't even need a traditional wrench. Its sure twist grip technology locks onto nuts that other tools just can't hold. Whether the nut's simply stuck or rounded off, or it's threaded or wedged tight, this set's got you covered. Inside the kit, you'll find 5 socket heads: 17 millimeters, 19 millimeters, 21 millimeters, 23 millimeters, and 26 millimeters, so you can tackle all sorts of sizes without hunting down extra bits. And when it's time to remove that nut, just grab a lever, a wrench, or your standard socket wrench. Pop on the Easy Off Twist socket, and twist it off with zero hassle. It's fast, painless, and takes all the stress out of loosening even the grippiest nuts. MoJack Elevator is the simplest way to lift your lawnmower or small vehicle for quick tune-ups. No heavy lifting or backaches required. It handles up to 750 pounds, so besides riding mowers, you can use it with ATVs, motorcycles, and more. The sliding tracks adjust from 32 inches to 63 inches, fitting almost any machine, and you can crank it up by hand or pop in an electric drill for extra speed. When you're done, it folds down flat for easy storage. If you own any ride-on equipment, the MoJack Elevator will save you time, effort, and keep your back happy. Milwaukee M12 is a high-performance flashlight made for color checking and fine detail work. It lets you copy natural daylight at any hour, whether it's dawn, noon, or even a cloudy afternoon, thanks to its 5 adjustable color settings. With a color accuracy score over 98 out of 100, you'll spot every tiny flaw in paint finishes, including the smallest metallic specks. This light can shine as bright as 1,100 lumens and keeps going for up to 15 hours on one battery. It's small and easy to handle, and its magnetic base lets you stick it to metal surfaces for hands-free use. Built tough to hold up in busy paint shops, it resists the chemicals you commonly work with, making it a dependable tool for pros. A forklift for tractors from Vevor is a heavy-duty attachment that can lift up to 4,000 pounds with ease. It fits most tractors and skid steers alike. Each fork is 43 inches long and 4 inches wide, giving you plenty of surface area to carry big loads. Setting it up is a breeze. Slide the forks into your machine's bucket, tighten a single screw, and you're ready to go. You'll also find built-in chain holes and safety slots to lock your cargo in place while you move it. Made of solid steel and finished with a tough, rust-resistant powder coat, this attachment is built to stand up to years of hard work. DeWalt 20-volt router delivers powerful cordless performance. It runs on a strong, brushless motor and a rechargeable battery, so you get plenty of power without being tethered to a cord. 2 built-in LED lights keep your work area bright so you can see exactly what you're doing when you're shaping edges or cutting grooves. What really makes this router easy to use is the depth adjustment ring. Just twist the ring to set how deep you want to cut. No tools needed and no guesswork. When you pull the trigger, the motor starts smoothly, and the electronic speed control keeps your RPMs steady between 16,000 and 25,000, even under heavy load. When you let go, the electronic brake stops the bit almost instantly, so it's safer to put down. Additionally, the router offers infinite speed adjustment, allowing you to tailor the rotational speed to suit various tasks. Fiskars Tree Pruner is your go-to tool for cutting branches that are out of reach. It stretches from 8 to 12 feet, so you can easily trim high limbs without ever leaving the ground. Because it's so light, your arms won't tire out, and you get both a pruner and a saw in one handy package. The chain-driven cutter packs 3 times the power of most hand pruners, and the saw's dual-ground teeth slice through thicker branches with ease. Its head spins a full 230 degrees, letting you angle each cut just right. The blades are made from super tough steel that stays sharp, and a special low-stick coating keeps sawdust and sap from gumming up your tool. Extreme Power improved gasoline-powered cord drill starts with a 51.7 cubic centimeter engine that puts out about 1.8 horsepower, so it can chew through even the hardest ground. Its upgraded gearing runs more smoothly and extends the life of the tool, and it's built to be kinder to the environment. You'll get a steady, non-slipping hold thanks to the special butterfly-style handles, and the spring-loaded shock absorber cuts down on vibration for a more comfortable working experience. It ships with a 150mm carbide-tipped drill bit that's ready for most jobs, and if you need other sizes, extra bits are sold separately. ALLWAY tool makes every sealant job a breeze. It easily strips away old, dried caulk with its sharp steel blades. Just run it along the joint and you're ready for fresh sealant. Then, flip to the rotating silicone triangle, which has 3 shapes, narrow, medium, and wide, so you can lay down the perfect bead no matter how big the gap. Finally, use the scraper on the handle to wipe off any extra sealant for a clean finish. Whether you're working with acrylic, latex, or silicone, this handy tool does it all. Remove, apply, and smooth in one simple package. OCTO is more than just a carabiner. It's a pocket-sized powerhouse with 18+ tools built right in. What makes it really special is the spine design. You can snap on your own parts or dream up new attachments for future versions. Pick and choose the tools you actually need, so your OCTO is exactly how you want it. The bit holder is super slim, 20% thinner than others, yet it still works with all kinds of bits, even the specialty ones from Leatherman. There's even a handy wire stripper built in for fast, no-fuss wire stripping. Made from tough, precision machine materials, the Octo is built to last and ready for anything. Power Profil automatic pliers make handling drywall profiles and guides quicker and more precise. These pliers adapt on their own to fit any size material, from slim wooden strips to wide metal studs. Just squeeze the trigger once and the pieces snap together instantly. This tool streamlines your workflow, so you spend less time adjusting parts and more time getting the job done. Woodpecker's tool helps you score materials quickly and accurately, so you get clean, precise lines every time. It has 2 beams that let you mark both edges of your piece at once. You can also adjust how wide and how deep your marks are, so it fits many different jobs. It's very easy to use, no special training needed. This dependable, hands-on gadget is ideal for woodworking. It speeds up your work, reduces mistakes, and improves the final result. If you do any wood projects, the Woodpecker's tool is a must-have in your workshop. Martin's Industries' professional 33-ton swinging jack takes the hard work out of lifting heavy vehicles. No more pumping by hand. Just press a button on its air-powered hydraulic pump and watch it lift smoothly and effortlessly. With a low profile that slips under anything with at least 8.6 inches of clearance, it's much safer than your average floor jack. You also get 3 extra extensions that let you raise your truck or heavy equipment as high as 21 inches. The built-in carry handle makes it a breeze to move around the shop or job site. If you're dealing with big rigs or heavy machines every day, this jack is a total game changer. Strong, easy to use, super safe, and built to keep going mile after mile. SwissTech multifunctional folding tool packs a full workshop into one pocket-sized gadget. It has 7 hex keys of different sizes, 2 screwdrivers, 2 wrenches, a T25 star bit, a built-in LED torch, a nail puller, and even a handy lever for opening bottles. Made from tough stainless steel with a smooth, scratch-resistant finish, it's built to last. Despite all these tools, it stays super compact, ideal for camping trips, hunting outings, or everyday fixes wherever you go. Besi panel carrier makes it simple to lug around big sheets of plywood, chipboard, or similar panels, up to 76 kilograms with ease. Its rubber-coated sliding clamps grab your panel firmly without scratching or marking it. Weighing just 750 grams, it adds almost no extra bulk, so you can carry heavy boards more comfortably. By keeping your load secure, it also lowers the risk of the panel slipping from your hands. If you often move large panels, the Besi panel carrier will speed up your work and keep you safer. Acrylic knife for applying texture to walls is known for its top-notch quality and careful construction. It's 18 inches long and made of clear acrylic, so you can see exactly what you're doing. The standout feature is its tough aluminum bridge that keeps the blade perfectly straight. No bending or wobbling as you work. The handle has soft, threaded grooves and fits any regular extension pole, so you can reach high spots without hassle. When you want an even, professional-looking texture, the hide delivers every time. Its blade is flexible enough to spread material smoothly, yet gentle enough to avoid scratching or leaving unwanted lines on your walls. Gorilla Bolster is perfect for heavy-duty demolition, such as smashing bricks, blocks, and other tough building materials. Its big 8-inch impact head lets you break through block walls with just one strike, so you get the job done fast. Even though it's super powerful, it's built for comfort and safety. The handle sits away from the hammering area, giving you better control and keeping your hands out of harm's way. A soft grip insert keeps your palm from slipping, so you always hold it securely. There's a handy scale etched onto the blade every 100 millimeters too. Just line up the marks with your block edges and you'll get straight, accurate cuts every time. No guesswork. Finally, the whole tool is powder-coated with an anti-rust finish, so it stays strong and corrosion-free even on tough job sites. You're all set to work harder and smarter with Gorilla Bolster. If you're cutting long or heavy pieces, like metal bars, your workpiece can tip down off the table and slow you down. An adjustable roller support solves that problem. It has strong ball-bearing rollers that let the material glide smoothly onto the saw table, so you don't have to wrestle with it. That means both of your hands stay free to control the saw safely. This little helper is built tough. It holds up to 150 pounds, and you can fine-tune its height anywhere, from 2 inches up to 6 inches to match most jobs. The Mardat 8-piece set is a must-have toolkit for anyone who works on engines. It simplifies the hardest part of piston work, compressing and fitting the rings, so you can get your engine back together quickly and without fuss. Inside, you'll find 3 ring compressors, 3 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches, that cover nearly every car engine out there. The largest handles pistons, from 60 millimeters all the way up to 180 millimeters in diameter. All the mandrels are made of nickel-plated spring steel, so they're tough, rust-proof, and built to last. You also get a pair of specially designed piston ring pliers crafted from chrome vanadium steel, complete with a built-in spring for just the right amount of tension and smooth operation. Whether you're a pro in the shop or a weekend warrior in your garage, this set will speed up your piston ring jobs and make installing rings a breeze. Special deflector and connector for GRR-Ripper and GRR-Riplock pushers give you important protection from flying chips and splinters when you're milling or doing other machine work. The tough plastic deflector sends debris safely away from your face, so you can concentrate on your project without worrying about getting hurt. The connector piece lets you snap 2 pushers together, opening up new possibilities. For example, you can link two GRR-Rip locks to handle big parts like door panels, or join two GRR-Rippers to work easily with extra long pieces. SAWSET multifunctional marking tool is way more than just a pencil. It's built from tough, rust-proof aluminum alloy, so it feels light in your hand but won't bend or break. You can use it to draw straight, parallel lines or perfect curves. There's a clear ruler built right in, and once you set it where you want, it locks tight so you get the same measurement every time. This handy gadget handles over 16 jobs, from marking tiles and drywall to laying out panels or sketching out furniture cuts. It writes on almost any surface, even in damp or rough spots, making it a go-to for pros and DIYers alike. Whether you're tiling a bathroom, installing shelves, or building a custom cabinet, the SAWSET multifunctional marking tool keeps your lines accurate and your work moving smoothly. Big red car stands are made from heavy-duty forged steel and have a welded frame so they'll last a long time. Each stand supports up to 6,000 pounds, so they work with almost any regular car. You can quickly adjust the height between 11¼ inches and 16¾ inches using the special toothed rail. It's easy and locks in place securely. To keep your car steady, these stands have a wide, pyramid-shaped base that gives them a big footprint on the ground. They've been thoroughly tested to meet ASME safety rules, so you can trust they'll hold your vehicle safely while you work on it. SAWSET Pro Angle Meter makes finding the right angle a breeze. No tricky math needed. Just place it, read the patented scales, and you've got the exact angle in seconds. It works on any project, from ceiling panels to floorboards, and handles single, double, inside, or outside angles with perfect precision. The big clear markings are easy to read, even in dim light, and the tough ABS plastic body keeps it lightweight but strong for any job. Rigid professional press tool set delivers everything a plumbing or HVAC installer needs to get the job done fast and reliably. This kit includes the cordless press tool with a long-life brushless motor, 4 interchangeable jaw heads that fit 1/2 inch to 2 inches, an 18-volt battery and quick charger, plus a rugged carrying case to keep it all organized. Because it uses standard rigid compression fittings, you can hook up any of your favorite accessories without missing a beat, and the brushless motor is built to crimp over 100,000 times before showing wear, so you know it'll be in your hands for years. A full 360-degree swivel head means you can press in tight corners or up under cabinets without twisting yourself into knots. And when the light's low, the bright LED lamp keeps your line of sight crystal clear. The simple control pad uses just a few color-coded buttons, so there's no guesswork about which setting you're on. 36-inch aluminum ruler equipped with longitudinal slots. Whether you're drawing exact lines with a pen and bubble levels, or using it as a straight-edge guide for cuts, this ruler flexes to fit your project. The Capro ruler has 2 built-in scales, with 1/8 inch markings, and a special 0 reference point, so you can lay out perfect shapes and measurements every time. From marking tile and aligning cabinets to leveling shelves and trimming drywall, this tool keeps your work true and square. Carpenters, finish carpenters, and anyone tackling home improvements will appreciate how smoothly the slide-on attachments move in the grooves, and how firmly they lock down when you're ready to scribe or cut. Built from tough aluminum alloy, this ruler stands up to heavy use while staying lightweight enough to handle easily. It's the dependable go-to for all your measuring, marking, and leveling jobs, no matter whether you're working with wood, drywall, wallpaper, or other materials. Rigid portable vise is tough enough for any job and grips pipes from 1/8 inch up to 6 inches, whether they're steel, copper, or PVC, thanks to its strong chain clamp. Its 3-leg stand folds up in seconds and locks with a self-locking latch so you can carry it by the built-in handle. When you get to the worksite, just unfold the legs until they click, and you're ready to go on a rock-steady platform. There's even a grounding tab for welding jobs, plus a solid tool tray to keep your wrenches, cutters, and fittings right where you need them. And that's it for today's tool showcase. If you'd like to see more reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments which tool was your favorite.